case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The case of Marfork Coal Company versus Smith, heard in 2011 by the United States District Court for the Southern District of West Virginia, revolved around the balance of gathering evidence and respecting constitutional rights in legal disputes. The battleground emerged when members of environmental groups designated as defendants trespassed onto the mining property of the plaintiff, a West Virginia mining corporation, to protest mountaintop removal mining. The litigation between Marfork Coal Company and the eco-activists resulted in an initial win for the mining corporation when the court issued a temporary restraining order and a preliminary injunction against the defendants. Beyond trespassing allegations, the court permitted limited questioning about the relationship between the defenders, their mutual protest plan, and their affiliations. Pleading both their innocence and their constitutional right to protest, the defendants admitted to some charges but stood their ground on others. As the case developed, Marfork Coal Company pursued further inquiries about those who took part in the trespass onto their property. Firing back, the defendants claimed that such details were irrelevant and protected by their First and Fifth Amendment rights. Despite the plaintiff's avid argument, the lower court sided with the defendants, denying Marfork's motion to compel deposition testimony. The court's ruling allowed defendants to uphold their Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination while waiving it for trespassing charges. It held that the identities of potentially additional participants were not pertinent to the issue and rejected Marfork's plea to compel relevant deposition testimony. Consequentially, the defendants' cross-motion to preclude irrelevant deposition questioning triumphed. The court's decision demonstrates the careful consideration in legal lawsuits to maintain relevancy in evidence collection while safeguarding constitutional rights.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.